Hey, good morning. Well, we got a break in the weather. I'm going to take this opportunity to tackle a project I've been wanting to do for a little while. Well, you guys may remember the overflow from the creek up there. When it rains really heavy, it fills up that creek and then it spills out. And this has always been a natural watershed here that we've taken and randomly stacked some rocks in. And when we were doing the columns, we had a lot of chiseled rock left over. And in return, what we did is we kind of filled in little spots. And as we're going downhill, we kind of made a little riprap area. So I love this area. It has some natural ferns in it, but I think I need to help it along a little bit. There's some natural grasses that are growing here. I don't think I'm going to manicure it too much, but I just want to take it and give it a little help. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so let me walk you through a little bit of what I'm going to try to accomplish today. I'm going to probably mess with these boulders a little bit, kind of clean it up around here. I'm going to randomly put some autumn ferns throughout here, which I think will bank it and shape it nicely. A couple other flowering plants. I haven't decided yet which I'm going to do. And I think I may start with a cleanup right now. For those of you who have not met my little buddy over here, this would be Tinkerbell. She is our newest addition to the family. Say hey, Tink. And she's gonna keep me company when I'm out here. As many of you may remember, in a previous episode, our pup Angel, we lost her just before Christmas, and what a great dog she is. And I just want to say, if any of you guys are out there and you guys are looking for the perfect pet, miniature schnauzer all the way, I'm a big advocate. I'm not going to push anything else, but I'm talking about, you want to talk about a true companion, a smart dog, some dog don't learn as fast as other dogs. Schnauzers are fast, they're smart, and they keep you on your toes. Let's get on to this project. Sun is out. Doesn't make for great video quality, but I'm glad the sun is out. So I think I got the shape down the way I want. It's kind of a meandering shape. It's hard to it's honestly hard to see the shape that I've created, but I'm going to frame it with some plants. I've got some autumn ferns, which I'm going to place out here in just a second, and then we got these little beauties, which I'm really thrilled with. These are Lithidora, so they kind of cascade. Nice blue flower. They say they're a hardy evergreen here. I don't know if that means it'll just come back year after year, or it stays evergreen, but we're gonna give it a shot. I kind of fell in love with them, so we're gonna put these out. And then I think I got 5 or 6 rosemary plants that I need to relocate from the front, and I'm gonna sporadically put that in here. If I feel I need something a little bit more dramatic, I might pick up a couple junipers and enhance this area. So the goal is that we are going to utilize the lower part of this house. It's one of the reasons why we put so much investment into these rock columns. So it's a tremendous living space undercover. We have some terrain issues some sloping that is a little concerning. Not concerning as in it's not good, but concerning as how do we tackle it? What's the idea? You know, if we were to level the area out, we have to bring in a lot of fill material. I'm not really wanting to do that. So I've been thinking about a couple ideas of maybe doing some cut terraces under there, some natural stone steps, maybe form a little a patio area. Maybe we can have our hanging swing out there. That's probably going to be another video, but you know, one of the things by doing that is it's going to keep the cost down. The material costs are huge today. The labor costs are tremendous. I try to only spend money on labor when it's necessary. It's something that I think is personally above my skill level, or maybe I'm just too tired to do it. But digging in the dirt's not above my skill level. Setting a rock into dirt is not above my skill level. So that might be something that we're going to tackle. Anyway, so I'm going to set up the camera, throw it on time lapse, and I'm going to start arranging and laying out these plants. So while I'm laying this out, I'm realizing that it's not a tremendous impact right now. I'm using smaller plants. With autumn ferns, they get big really quick. They are evergreen for us here. So I opted not to spend 4 times the amount for 1 gallon. I'm using the quart size, so they're a little smaller right now. I would say in another month or two, it's gonna be really full. I have not set all the autumn ferns out. I think I still have about 25 of them to go, but I'm going to start putting these in the ground just to see how I like it, see how things are kind of laying out, and then I'll probably start placing the rest of the autumn ferns. Let's get this stuff in the ground. Isn't the best soil, because you're avoiding a lot of rocks. It's definitely moist, and I think these autumn ferns are going to love it. Alright, well, I got all the ferns and the Lithidora planted. I'm going to go get some rosemary that I'm going to transplant from up front. I think it'll be a nice accent there. Considered transplanting some lavender as well. Not sure what I'm going to do up there. I have to kind of grasp that concept. I'm going to go up there and brainstorm for a little bit, and I'll be back to knock that out. Then we're going to use some fertilizer, some all-purpose 10-10-10 fertilizer on this, and then we'll throw a little light layer of pine straw just to kind of clean it up a little bit. All right, guys, so I am pretty much finished for today. I've done the fertilizer. I've put the pine straw in. It's not very impactful right now because the plants are small, so be patient with me. They will take hold, and it is going to look awesome. All right, guys, so about 4 months has passed, and I wanted you to take a look at the ferns and how they've been established. And this whole water runoff is really starting to look good. In another year, this will really thicken up, and it'll be exactly what we're looking for, because I wanted my fern shade garden and I got it. So guys, I hope you like it, and we'll do a recap in about a year to see how thick this stuff gets. Thank you.